So I'm about to put these pineapples back into that liquor and sugar and just supper it all up. These pineapples are going to be so good, juicy, sweet, and delicious. Now that I flipped them, I'm going to baste on this side. Like I said, this basting right here is all you need. I don't really need no sauce on these. Alrighty. Those will be done in a minute. So, I've got some ribs on the grill. This one I've got a little sauce going on here, and the other one there's no sauce. You know, everybody don't like sauce. I love sauce on mine. I got some rib tips going over there. I'm about to put some sauce on those. Let's see what we got over here. I got some burgers over here. Let me see. Turn the light on for y'all. Got some burgers going over here. Let me flip those one more time. See all those onions on that other side. These are ready. Yeah, these are good and ready. All right. I'm going to go back over here to these ribs. I think everything's about ready. That one looks good. This one looks good. I'm going to let this sit here for about another 5-10 minutes, and I'm going to be ready to eat, y'all. Nice, big, juicy, thick New York strips. Look at that. Look how thick that is. Checking on these ribs and these steaks. Hey, look at that, look at that. Oh, let's see. Let's turn this one over. Ooh, look at that. I think these are about ready. Yeah. Woo. This is gonna be good. I'll let those steaks cook one more minute. And then we'll be ready to eat in Lavonne's kitchen. So I have put the lemon juice on the flounder. I've stuffed a couple, as you can see. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm just going to totally stuff it all the way across and then put another piece of flounder on top of that. So that's how it's stuffed. And then stuff another one. Take some more crab meat stuffing, which was my eggs, green onions, jumbo lump crab, breadcrumbs, and lemon juice. Let's take that. And then take your other piece of fish and lay it right on top. There we go. Leave a little hole in the middle for it to peek out. There we go. There we go. Yes, this is Lavonne getting these burgers ready. It's time to flip them over. They've cooked on one side. We'll flip them over and let them cook on the other side. We may have to flip them a couple times, but right now, we got a broken one. Look at that. A lot of stuff on that kebab. So we come back in another 20 minutes and flip them again. So hi, it's Lavonne in the kitchen, and I'm cooking my roast corn a Lavonne. So I've got my corn and I've got butter. I'm putting some pepper on each one. I already got pepper on this one. I'm gonna put a little salt. And then my secret ingredient, I'm going to put Parmesan cheese.